Bonjour, we are looking at how to say you are beautiful. In French, you're meeting a girl or a woman and you want to tell her that she is beautiful. There are actually two different ways of pronouncing it. This is the first one. Tu es belle. Tu es meaning you are, belle meaning beautiful, of course. Tu es belle. Tu es belle. You want to adopt maybe a very soft and, very soft, profound voice, maybe when you say that. Tu es belle. Now, that's if you know the woman of a little bit already. If you don't know the woman or the girl, or she seems a bit stranger to you, or you respect her a little bit more, you would say vous êtes belle. Vous êtes belle. So there's two different ways of addressing somebody in France, whether you know her or him well or not. And so that's the second one. Vous êtes belle. Vous êtes belle if it's somebody that you don't really know, or maybe somebody that is older or a higher social rank as well. Vous êtes belle. But if it's somebody young that you know a little bit already, you can say tu es belle. Tu es belle. This is how to say you are beautiful in French. Tu es belle. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more interesting French vocabulary. Thanks for watching. Merci.